Hi, welcome back. Today we're gonna make a special snack. It's a crazy delicious snack, but you do need one of those. This is a Japanese turning vegetable slicer. So we're gonna be making my crazy bacon cheese potato dog. Let's do this. So first I've got a couple of egg whites in my bowl and then a spice mix. You can put any spices you want, but I've just put some curry powder, some smoked paprika, some garlic powder, some onion powder and salt and pepper. So I'm just gonna give this a whisk. I'm gonna need some medium to large potatoes. I'm gonna put them with the center on my vegetable slicer. What this cutter does, actually it allows me to cut very long strands of vegetable, in this case potato. And then I just push it and I turn. And the first ones might be short ones coming out, but we should end up with very long strands of potato. That's it. The rest of the potato we can't use, that comes out. So there's my potato strands. So first I'm gonna prepare my hot dog. So I got jumbo hot dogs, I cut it in half. And then I got some cheese slices. I'm gonna fold them in three. Put this in the middle. The other half on top. I'm gonna take half a slice of streaky bacon. I'm gonna wrap it around the end. Same on the other side. And then I'm just gonna grab streaky bacon. I'm going to wrap it around. You don't need to overlap too much. Obviously, you put as much as you want. That's it. On the other side, another slice of bacon, and then just wrap it around. My hot dog is stuffed with cheese and wrapped in bacon, and now we need to wrap it in the potato strands. So these are my potato strands, and if you take one and then carefully just pull it up, it should come loose. I'm gonna toss it in my egg white. I got the beginning of my potato strand and I just wrap it around my hot dog. And then when we come to the end, we can go back. That's it. And we take the next one. Another one. So that's my potato dough completely wrapped, and all I'm going to do now is deep fry this at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit. And I'm using beef dripping to fry because I like the flavor of it. And now we're just going to fry that for about 6-7 minutes. That's it. Let's take this out. And there you have it. My bacon cheese potato dog. And I tend to serve it with my spiced mayo, or what we call Belgian Andalouse. You should see the link coming up onto the screen now. And there you have it. Bacon cheese potato dog.